In this tutorial I will show you how to see who shared your Instagram reel. First thing we want to do is to make sure that our Instagram application is up to date. Then open the Instagram app. You want to go to your profile. Select the Reels tab. Then select the reel that you want to see who shared it. Then tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner. Select Insights. Here this will tell you the number of people that have shared. There is currently no option to see who shared your reels, but you only can see how many people shared your reel. So that is the only way to see who shared your Instagram reels.